Stop letting manual processes isolate your business. Unlock your connected smart ecosystem with our complete Dynamics 365 custom integration guide. We'll custom engineer your flexible smart rails, mastering our 3 native engineers: Power Automate, the automated messenger for mundane tasks, the visual data integrator pipeline, and Azure Logic Apps, the secure enterprise cargo network. Unlock complex branching logic and essential approvals for the modern mobile warrior. Don't operate in a silo. Watch now to standardize, scale, and finally master your connections. Imagine your business as a bustling digital village. Initially, core roads and predefined configurations connected your internal surfaces, improving efficiency. But to thrive in the age of digital transformation, isolation is not an option. Your village must become an active part of a complete digital ecosystem, reimagining how you deliver value by building flexible custom routes to entirely different systems. Microsoft provides 3 powerful native engineers to construct these customized trade routes: Azure Logic Apps, our secure cargo network for robust enterprise integration; Power Apps Data Integration, a standardized pipeline for simple, configurable data movement; and Power Automate, your automated messenger. The first step in connecting your systems is automating those mundane, repetitive tasks that drain your team's valuable time. This is where Power Automate, your visual bridge builder, boosts overall organizational productivity. Using a simple drag-and-drop interface, you create logical if-then processes that instantly trigger business-focused actions. Power Automate automates interaction between cloud services, handling instant notifications and seamlessly managing approvals so your team can focus on what matters most. Welcome to your visual guide on jumpstarting success with Power Automate, focusing on connectors and templates. Think of connectors as your digital adapters, the literal plugs and sockets that allow your different platforms to interact. We offer a vast library of native Microsoft and third-party connectors, and you can even build custom ones for outlier applications. Be mindful of the difference between standard connectors like Office 365 and premium connectors designed for high-value systems like ERPs or databases, which incur extra licensing costs. A crucial recommendation for Dynamics 365 integrations: always prioritize the newer, better Common Data Service or CDS connectors over the older legacy version. Moving over, we have templates, your predefined blueprints for success. These pre-created, pre-configured flows vastly simplify process creation and are easily searchable right from the left navigation. Finally, let's look at a powerful real-world example: syncing Dynamics 365 sales accounts automatically to operations customers. While this specific template uses premium connectors and requires a simple sign-in for both source and target, enabling it is an absolute massive time saver for your business. Let's explore how to manage complex business scenarios, specifically an opportunity approval workflow for the modern mobile warrior. We begin our journey by creating a flow from scratch on the Power Automate landing page. We define our flow as an opportunity approval and select the essential trigger when a record is updated using the CDS connector for opportunities. Next, we add the specialized approval step, choosing the start and wait for an approval action. We configure this to wait for one response and set custom options like approved or rejected. We dynamic properties like the deal details and a link to the record directly into the email context for easier review. The heart of the workflow is the decision tree. If the manager approves, we follow the yes path to alert the team and update the record flag to approved for billing. If the deal is not approved, we follow the no path to notify the salesperson and update the record flag to needs revision. Finally, we leverage native mobility support. Managers can review formal approvals via email or use the specialized approvals tab in the Power Automate mobile app. This simple app provides all the approval and management functionality required for true mobile warriors. When configuring your bustling digital village, standard predefined paths only take you so far. True digital transformation often requires modular systems working tightly alongside each other, demanding robust custom integration engineering.
Microsoft provides 3 native tools for this task. First, Power Automate is perfect for personal productivity and mundane automated processes using conditional branching logic. However, for robust enterprise scenarios, professional developers turn to Azure Logic Apps. It offers high-speed secure cargo networks, full source control, ALM support, and specialized benefits like connecting modern cloud services to old on-premise mainframes, albeit at a higher consumption-based operational cost. Finally, the Power Apps Data Integrator offers a visual, schedule-driven pipeline specifically built for point-to-point data movement between systems like Salesforce and Dynamics ERPs, perfect for citizen developers requiring no code. Your final decision comes down to complexity. Standard, simple scenarios work well in Data Integrator, while complex enterprise transformations require the heavy lifting of Azure Logic Apps. We transitioned from an isolated digital village to a dynamic, connected ecosystem by building custom integration routes to neighboring hubs. We met our 3 native engineers, Power Automate, your messenger to automate mundane tasks, the standardized data integrator pipeline, and Azure Logic Apps, our secure cargo network for enterprise-grade complexity. We harnessed visual branching logic, dynamic approvals, and full mobile support for the mobile warrior. Ultimately, simpler data transformations favor Data Integrator for citizens, while complex enterprise transformations require the pro developer tools of Azure Logic Apps.